Hey, what's going on? It's Don Crypto with a very simple video on how to create a trust wallet. So if you have any questions, just type them in the comment section below. Remember to like and subscribe, and I can help you with anything you need when it comes to creating a crypto wallet. All right, and that was how to open a Trust Wallet. Now, if you already have your 12 words, like from MetaMask or a different wallet, then I'm going to show you how to import a wallet. So you simply download the Trust Wallet app. You're going to select Import Wallet, and then you're going to choose Multi-Coin Wallet. Once you do that, you're going to enter your phrase words. So if you have them copied, you can copy and paste them, or you can type the words in one by one. Just make sure that you leave a space between each word. Then it's going to ask you to name your wallet. You can pick the name and then click import. Once you click import, you hit done. All of your coins will show up that you have in this multi-coin wallet. Once you open your multi-coin wallet, if you click on the bottom right that says settings, it will show you your wallets. Click on wallets, and then you have the option to either add more wallets, to either import or create more. All right. If you have any questions, type a comment